This video is going to cover question 2 on the first page, and it will be questions G, H, and I on number 2. So let's pull up the camera. So on 2G, it's asking us to round 60,488 to the nearest 10,000. Our benchmarks will be, our first benchmark will be 60,000, since that 6 is going to be in that 10,000s place. 65,000 will be our midpoint, and then 70,000 will be the next benchmark. So if we see that we have the 60 or the 6 in the 10,000 spot, we're going to look to the number to the right of that. So that number is 0. So that is less than 65,000. So we're going to round down to 60,000 on that one. So 60,000 would be the answer for 2G. 2H, we have 80,801, and they want us to round that one to the nearest 10,000. So if we look at the 10,000s place, we have that 8 in the 10,000s place. So we're going to start with our benchmark of 80,000. Our midpoint's going to be 85,000, and our other benchmark will be 90,000. So if we look to the place value to the right of 80,000, or of 8, which is in the 10,000s place, we have a 0. So that tells us that we are going to round down because it is less than our midpoint of 85,000. On 2I, we have 897,100, and they're asking us to round that to the nearest 10,000. So if we look, we have in the 10,000s place, not the 100,000s, but the 10,000s place, we have 9. So that means that we're going to start with 890,000. Our midpoint's going to be 895,000. And our highest benchmark will be 900,000, since this is a 9, so we're going to have to round that one up to 9 and keep all those zeros. So since we're looking at the 10,000s, we have a 9. We go to the right, we see a 7. That is higher than this midpoint, so that's going to round all the way up to 900,000. So that is the answer for I. 2I, 900,000.